Je le crois, je le sens, d'une intuition très profonde. Je sens que j'ai déjà vu cette scène. Mais il me semble qu'il devrait y avoir un arbre là, et il n'y a rien.
Now perhaps if we extrapolate from this man's perceptual, mentational confusion to the theoretical point I was making about lateral change, you can get a better idea of what I mean. I mean, perhaps you can, to at least a degree, see that although what I'm talking about may not exist, my concept may be fictional, it could exist. It is not intellectually self-contradictory.
Si nous extrapolons maintenant à partir de la confusion perceptuelle et mentale de cette comprendre, dans une certaine mesure, que si ce dont je parle n'existe peut-être pas, si mon concept peut être fictif, il pourrait au moins exister. Du point de vue intellectuel, il ne se contredit pas lui-même.
Contemplating this possibility of a lateral arrangement of worlds, a plurality of overlapping Earths along whose linking axis a person can somehow move, can travel in a mysterious way from worse to fair to good to excellent. Contemplating this in theological terms, perhaps we could say that herewith we suddenly decipher the elliptical utterances which Christ expressed regarding the kingdom of God, specifically where it is located.
Si l'on pensait à cette possibilité, une disposition latérale des mondes, d'une pluralité de terres superposées le long d'un axe de jonction, où quelqu'un pourrait se déplacer, où quelqu'un pourrait voyager mystérieusement, de pire à acceptable, à bon, à excellent. Si l'on décrivait en termes théologiques cette théorie, peut-être pourrait-on dire que nous comprenons soudain les affirmations elliptiques du Christ sur le royaume de Dieu, en particulier sur sa localisation.
He seems to have given contradictory and puzzling answers, but suppose, just suppose for an instant, that the cause of the perplexity lay not in any desire on his part to baffle or to hide, but in the inadequacy of the question. My kingdom is not of this world, he is reported to have said. The kingdom is within you, or possibly it is among you.
Il paraît avoir donné des réponses contradictoires et troublantes. Mais supposons un instant que la cause de notre perplexité ne tienne pas dans un quelconque désir de sa part d'étonner ou de masquer, mais dans le caractère inadéquat de la question. Mon royaume n'est pas de ce monde. Mon royaume est en vous, ou il est parmi vous. Ce sont les paroles que l'on rapporte.
I put before you now the notion, which I personally find exciting, that he may have had in mind that which I speak of as the lateral axis of overlapping realms, which contain among them a spectrum of aspects ranging from the unspeakably malignant to the beautiful.
Je vous présente une notion que je trouve personnellement excitante. N'avait-il pas en tête ce que je présente comme l'axe latéral des royaumes superposés qui contiennent parmi eux la palette des aspects allant de la méchanceté indicible jusqu'au plus merveilleux.
And Christ was saying over and over again that there really are many objective realms somehow related and somehow bridgeable by living, not dead men, and that the most wondrous of these worlds was a just kingdom in which either he himself or God himself or both of them ruled.
Ce que le Christ a répété constamment, c'est qu'il y avait plusieurs royaumes objectifs, en quelque sorte reliés entre eux, sur lesquels un pont pourrait être jeté par les vivants, et non pas par les morts. Et encore, il a dit que le plus merveilleux royaume était cette terre des justes, sur laquelle lui, ou Dieu, ou les deux ensemble, régneraient.
And he did not merely speak of a variety of ways of subjectively viewing one world. The kingdom was and is an actual different place at the opposite end of continua, starting with slavery and utter pain. It was his mission to teach his disciples the secret of crossing along this orthogonal path. He did not merely report what lay there, he taught the method of getting there. But, tragically, the secret was lost. The enemy, the Roman authority, crushed it, and so we do not have it. But perhaps we can re-find it, since we know that such a secret exists.
Il n'a pas seulement parlé des manières différentes de voir le monde à travers la subjectivité, Son royaume était et est encore en un autre lieu, à l'extrémité opposée d'un continuum dont le point de départ est l'esclavage et la souffrance absolue.
Kingdom is ever to be established here on earth, or whether it is a place or state we go to after death. I'm sure I don't have to tell you that this issue has been a fundamental one and an unresolved one throughout the history of Christianity. Christ and St. Paul both seem to say emphatically that an actual breaking through into time, that is specifically what they say, a breaking through into time, into our world, by the host of God, will unexpectedly occur. Thereupon, after some exciting drama, a 1,000-year paradise, a rightful kingdom will be established, at least for those who have done their homework and chores and generally paid attention, have not gone to sleep, as one parable puts it. We are enjoined repeatedly in the New Testament to be vigilant, that for the Christian it is always day. There is always light by which he can see this event when it comes. See this event. Does that imply that many persons who are somehow asleep or blind or not vigilant, they will not see it even though it occurs? Consider the significance which can be assigned to these notions. The kingdom will come here unexpectedly. This is always stressed. The rightful faithful shall see it, because for them it is always daytime. But for the others, what seems expressed here is the paradoxical but enthralling thought that, and hear this and ponder, the kingdom were it established here would not be visible to those outside it. I offer the idea that in more modern terms, what is meant that some of us will travel laterally to that better world and some will not. They will remain stuck along the lateral axis, which means that for them the kingdom did not come, not in their alternative world. And yet, meantime, it did come in ours. So it comes, and yet it does not come. Amazing.